It was in the neighbor's yard again. I swear, this ugly red umbrella's got more frequent flyer miles than half of the business travelers the world over combined. Jeez. Get in there, you. And don't let me catch you trying to escape anymore.
Bison Burgers again?
My procedure for producing the finest bison burgers this side of any river is sort of loosely based on a study of bison behavior conducted by research biologists at the University of Wyoming in Laramie. Study revealing that bison have a relatively high level of intelligence and are actually able to count, but only in increments of 3. Which is why we believe that the best bison burgers should only be 1/3 pound patties or more. Nothing lower than 1/3 pound patties. And we're going to smash some 1/3 pound bison patties today, tonight, right here in Smoky Goodness 2.0. Stick around.
Bison Burgers again?
Oh, I forgot to mention, we're going into the Wayback Machine. I did a trial run on this burger smashing technique with bison 2 nights ago. I wanted to see how well I could do this, but with guys like Greg over at Ballistic Barbecue showing us every step of the way, it's easy. We used a stovetop griddle, and man, they were good. They were good. So, in the Wayback Machine we go. Ready. I've got the lid on the Weber with the top and bottom vents kind of dialed down a little bit. You'll see why as soon as I lift it. Because within, down on the bottom, we got the slow and sear filled with water. Up top is the drip and griddle pan, both from Adrenaline Barbecue Company. And the reason that I had the vents kind of choked off a little bit is because you can't let this thing get too hot. Fortunately, with our little experiment a couple of nights ago, it was revealed that bison kind of likes a cooler grill surface. So what we're doing here, I'm going to hit it with a little bit of Sang stir-fry oil, because by golly, we just love that garlicky flavor, right, Sal? This is really cool too. We've got basically 2 zones on this. You can probably hear the sizzle here. Once you get back here, it's a cooler zone. This will come in very handy. All right, guys, this is gonna go pretty fast. See? A little too loose there, huh? I'm taking care of that right now. Ten seconds. Of course, these things, they kind of look funky, but hey, any port in a storm, right? And one more. One that I'm sure is going to take a little longer to cook because it's basically off of the hot coals here. That's okay. And I'm not using the parchment paper. Well, I am now. You didn't see that, right? Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. That's what I attribute it to. Okay. And I'm going to hit these 3 bison patties with a little bit of bovine dust. I forgot the name of the company that makes this, but I think they're in Allen, Texas. Or somewhere near Allen, Texas. Good. It's great on bison. So, there we go. All right. We'll be back momentarily. I'm looking for color coming up the side and some juices pooling on the top. Just like Greg taught us all. So, we'll be back. Off camera, just moments ago, realized I goofed. Second goof. The handles for the grill grate were kind of in the way, interfering with the even distribution of heat throughout this griddle. Slow-ins here. So, off camera, I spun it around. Looks funky, so man, I'll tell you what, it smells. Just do that. This one needs to be closer to the fire. There you go. This one needs to be closer to the fire. It hasn't even really started cooking yet. Yeah, give me some time. I've got to practice. I'm a noob, I know it. I admit. But, hey, trial and error. Learn from your mistakes and own them, I always say. I'll be back. And before I forget, usually this is where Greg will add the cheese and then top it. You know, well, the one I've got is called a grill dome. Yes, a grill dome. It's the cheese melting thing. I'm going to give it a few more seconds out here, maybe a minute or 2 before I put the cheese on it, because I want all 3 of these burgers cooked and ready to go before I do that, because I'm going to dome it. So might have to move this one especially off, eventually this one, wait on this one, but hey, that's the way it's got to be, right? All right, I've got some buns toasting up over on the indirect side of the grill. And I've got some freshly grated medium cheddar right here. I like a lot of cheddar. So does my son. Small burgers for him. I think I mentioned that before. I have a squirt bottle for this, so I'm just going to very gently do that. Like that. Use the grill dome. Woohoo! Oh yeah, look at that. All right, I'd say time to take these bad rabbits in the house and dress them up. They look bad, they look terrible, but man, they smell so good. I know they're gonna taste great. Recording out there in 4K with only a 32 gig card. I don't know how much I lost, but the card was full when I got it back in the house. So anyway, how's it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness Jr.?
It's good.
He likes it, hey Mike? I'm gonna love it.
Yeah, low battery.
Okay, the battery on this camera is dying as well. I haven't really recorded anything in months. I think I've done one video on this channel since who knows when, but I'm gonna finish this. This rocks, absolutely rocks. No style points though. Battery's flashing, I know. All right, we'll see you next time. Stick around.